this is my cousin.
Around friends. Around boys. Alone.
Will you help me clean out the barn?
Sure.
Jess! That's not real. What? Jessica!
Go do it. Okay. Was it crazy? Nah. Do it.
Hey, man.
Hey, man. I'm so excited to see you, bud.
Thomas, Aunt Patty's here.
Tell her I'm not here.
Well, she brought gifts, so...
Aunt Patty!
Yes, I know, Granddad. I didn't mean to make Grandma cry. I'm so sorry. Just kidding.
Hit it, Fergie.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather round, always looking at me up and down, looking at my